Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to configure a captive portal in FortiGate. First, you will define the network interface that will host your captive portal, typically an internal or wireless interface. Next, create a new user group specifically for your portal users. This group will determine who can access the network after authentication. Finally, configure the authentication method for this user group, choosing between options like local users, radius, or LDAP to suit your network's security policies. Now, let's create the essential firewall policy. You'll establish a new policy that governs traffic for your captive portal. Define the source interface, which is where your unauthenticated users will connect, and the destination interface, typically your internet access. Crucially, apply the user group you just created to this policy. This ensures that only users who successfully authenticate through the captive portal are granted network access, enforcing your security requirements effectively. Personalizing your captive portal page enhances the user experience and reinforces your brand. Navigate to the captive portal style settings in your FortiGate. Here, you can upload a custom logo, perhaps a JPEG or PNG file, to display your organization's branding prominently. Additionally, you can modify the welcome message and customize the terms of service that users must accept before gaining network access, providing clear communication and legal compliance. Finally, it's crucial to test your captive portal configuration thoroughly. Connect a client device, like a laptop or smartphone, to the network interface where the portal is active. Ensure that the device is automatically redirected to your customized captive portal page. Then, authenticate using a test user account you've set up. Confirm that after successful authentication, the device gains full network access, ensuring your portal functions exactly as intended for all users.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.